Hi friends, welcome back to Travel with Shezza. In today's video, we will be visiting the Fujairah Adventure Park. Its construction started about 2 years ago. It hasn't finished yet. So we're going to know more about this. Let's get into the video. As you see, this is a track. You can ride cycles, bikes, skateboards. It's a really fun place. As you see, there are waves. You go through that. It's a really adventurous track. This place, this adventure park, is mostly surrounded by mountains. It's indeed a beautiful place for tourists. They can do trekking, hiking, plenty of other things too. There is a lake, as you see. Those are for marine activities and more. At times there are cultural programs here, but as it's the COVID present, it's stopped for now. I'm actually synced into its natural beauty. Here you have a better view of the lake, and too, it's very pleasant to hear the birds chirping and the morning breeze. What a wonderful sight. There are many birds nesting here in this tree. So, this is the lake. As you see, there are many fishes bubbling around the lake, and it's beautiful. There are beautiful ducks, swans. The marine is indeed beautiful. It's a wonderful view from here. Oh my gosh. place. It's behind City Center, Fujairah. Thank you, and until the next video, goodbye.